Forgotten Porsche 911 with very rare option was found in an old barn. This 1972 Porsche 911T was discovered in an abandoned shed in the backyard of a house. The car, of course, requires a complete restoration, but it seems to deserve such an achievement. This is a rare model that is equipped with an external oil filler neck. It was only installed on the 1972 model, after which Porsche returned to the classic design. It is currently listed for sale on eBay at $36,500. The car has seen better days, but its bodywork was kept in a fairly decent condition. There is no rear bumper in the photos, so let's say it is missing. Fuchs wheels are a nice factory option. A difference in engine cover color may indicate that it has been replaced with a cover from another vehicle at some point, or a poor quality repainting has been performed in the past. The seller does not report any serious rust, but we know the underbody is almost always an issue. The interior appears to have retained the factory black upholstery, and the door panels, while dirty, seems to have retained their integrity. The 911's windows have been down all this time, so we would say that the interior will require as much work as the exterior of a supercar. This is no factory radio here. The outer oil filler neck on this example is one of those parts that drool over Porsche fans. Don't ask us why. Perhaps just because of the rarity of such a solution. Most likely, inept drivers and refuelers at gas stations often poured fuel where only oil should get. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.